today we cooking crawfish fettuccine. It's a great dish down here. It's got some good flavor. Now we're gonna go through it step by step, but I'm not gonna make it, almost 30 minutes. I'm gonna cut it kind of shorter. I got a little long.
How come you didn't walk out the door?
Cause I'm trying to cut it 20 minutes. Me walking out the door with my fat ass, grabbing my coat, putting it on. It was stupid. Okay? Shoot the video. We're trying to cut it a little bit, okay?
Oh, fine.
Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in to our cooking section. Now, our first section is gonna be vegetables. You already know which ones I'm talking about. You see them. They're there.
Cheapskate. What?
So now that we have talked about our vegetables, it's the same ones from last time. Don't get excited. It's not going to be different every time. What we're going to do is we're going to put our pan on high.
What did they done say the last episode?
Well, I guess we need to go watch it. Anyway, so they're going to put it on high, and we're going to have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to spread that around. Ooh, that's looking nice. So, next thing we're going to do, we're going to start adding our vegetables to our pan. Remember, this is on high. Okay? Let's go over here. I can't take 25 minutes this time. It was long last time. But that's not so. Ooh. Tell me that don't smell good, Eugene.
It smells like 30 jump socks.
I think your nose might be broken. Either that, well, all you do is live around gym socks. And your attitude is dirty as gym socks, so get it together, okay? So, now that we got our vegetables in the pan, we're going to let this cook down, and then we're going to go to our next pot. Okay? See you in a minute. We see how it looks in the pan. It's looking really good, right?
No.
We're gonna add our next ingredient. Now our next ingredient is going to be minced garlic. Now I know I'm not using fresh garlic. I forgot to get it at the store because I was walking around. They had somebody in front of me that was taking too long to buy their groceries. They were walking like this. And I'm like, look, I need to get by you. I'm trying to get to the garlic section. And they were like, on a set of rolling carts.
Excuses.
Man, my minced garlic. All right? We're going to use this here. All right, now that is 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Because somebody told me I had to start keeping track of how much I'm giving because people going to get confused. I guess I'll measure it, okay?
Finally.
Now, we're going to go ahead and let that cook, but I'm going to go ahead and add my next ingredient. We're already ready. It's going to be crawfish, all right? Now, this is some Louisiana crawfish. And it's going to be good.
Did you catch those yourself?
Now, look, I'm not perfect, okay? I'm sorry. I couldn't go to the ditch with a vacuum cleaner.
I could have told you that.
I'm going to add it to the ditch. I didn't catch it myself. I'm sorry. If you catch your own, that's great. But if you do catch your own, you're going to have to skip a step in a minute. But it's okay. Okay? I'm adding it. All right, shoot to the cooking can.
All right.
gonna let this cook, but we're gonna move our heat down to medium, all right? Medium heat.
Why?
Because crawfish don't take long to cook, okay? So if we have it on high, it's gonna burn it. It's gonna be tasting like crunchy giblets.
How else do you cook stuff?
We're gonna let this cook down and we're gonna be right back, all right? Give us a couple seconds. We done with this knife. So carefully, we're gonna wipe off our residue. And we're gonna put it over here in the sink. We done with it. Be safe. Better safe than sorry. All right. So our next step is gonna be to add one half of a tablespoon of crawfish seasoning. Now I decided to use Louisiana Fryer crawfish seasoning. The only reason being is I had it in my cupboard already, okay? I'm not gonna buy more crawfish seasoning. But you add half a tablespoon of crawfish seasoning to this thing. Now, if you want it to be a little more spicy, do a tablespoon.
I don't want it spicy.
That's why we're doing half. That's why we're doing half. Listen, if you would listen, you would understand. That's why we're doing half, okay? Half a tablespoon in the thing. Ready? Here we go. Blam. Can't even do one little thing without you talking, can I? This is what makes me so upset with you all the time, okay? Go to the cooking cam so we can spread around the seasoning. Ah!
Somebody's dramatic.
I'm a dramatic my foot in your butthole. Put it in the seasoning. All right. So we're going to mix it around. It's only going to be about 3 minutes. We doing it. Are you recording me or the cooking cam?
I'm doing the cooking.
Now, you're not cooking. No, not me, you're cooking. So we're going to do this for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. All right? But this is already cooked and ready to go. So let's move back to our... okay. Now, please tell me you didn't get the light in the last shot. I saw you get the light. Now that's a light. That's a secret light. Nobody's supposed to see the light.
There's lights around y'all?
You had it in your hand. They saw it.
What light?
Anyway, this is done. This is ready to be eaten. But we're not done cooking yet. So we're going to move this to the side. And we're going to get a whole new pan. I like this pan because it's got broken handles. It likes to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle all night long. All right.
Unprofessional.
So, I can make a joke. Okay, I can make one joke. Anyway,
What's a very good joke?
Anyway, I'm going to add, this is heavy whipping cream. Okay? I'm going to add 8 cups of heavy whipping cream. 8 cups. All right? So we're going to go to the cooking pot, I guess. I guess it's a pot this time. We're going to go to the cooking pot and we're going to add it together, all right? So this is 8 cups.
That's a pot.
This is a pot full of 8 cups. Are you happy?
Yeah.
So this is 8 cups in a pot of whipping cream. You know, whipping cream, like whipping cream. So we're going to put this on medium heat and we're going to be back in 10 minutes so we can add the rest of our ingredients, okay? We'll see y'all then. That's been 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That's what we have. Now we got our heavy whipping cream right where we want it. Now remember, 8 cups heavy whipping cream. This is 4 cups of Parmesan cheese.
Looks like a ball.
The way I measure things is not always the same, okay?
You dropped your spatula.
Let me go get it. All right, so we're gonna add, now this is garbage. Now we can't, great. This 4 cups is getting added to this 8 cups of heavy whipping cream. Are you ready? Let's go to the cooking can. All right, so we're gonna add our 4 cups of Parmesan cheese. Carefully so it don't splash. And while we add it, we're gonna add Slap Your Mamas. Now look how that looks. Looks like some coffee. No, it doesn't. No, it looks nothing like coffee. I don't know
It
why I
looks
said
like
that.
coffee.
I didn't. No, it looks like. They say like when you put your Creole seasoning on top of it, it's supposed to have been an image. What do you see? I see like.
I see your lazy butt just sitting around doing nothing.
Now this is why we don't get nothing done. Right here. Okay? Cut the cam off. We're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. And in that 10 minutes, I'm gonna teach you something about your life, okay? Set a timer for 10 minutes. Alright. So this is our cook cam, it's looking really good.
It looks kind of watery.
You're right. Alright. So let's fix it. It's okay. People mess up sometimes. Let's add another 4 cups of Parmesan. Now, when you're making this, get the camera here. Right here.
Just set the cooker cam.
All right, we'll get there. When you're cooking it on your own at your house, remember, 8 cups of whipping cream, 8 cups of Parmesan cheese. I guess. All right, back to the cooking. Now we're going to add
You
this Parmesan.
gas. You missed the sink.
Turn it off. I messed up, okay? Just turn it off. All right. So, now that we didn't mess not one thing up with this the whole time, it's perfect every time I do everything. All the time. All right. So, we got our water boiling for our noodles. Now, a lot of people don't realize this. We got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add it to our water where we cooking our noodles. It's going to make it not stick together. And, you know, it's going to make it taste even better. All right, so we're going to add this to our dish, all right? Bloop, add it. Now, we're going to bring this to a boil. And we'll be back. After we bring this to a boil, we're going to add it together. And we're going to eat it. And it's going to be delicious.
But what if you're allergic?
Then don't eat it. I don't know why. Why is everybody, if you're allergic to shellfish and to other ingredients, don't eat it. Why'd you click on a video that said crawfish etouffee? I don't understand these people on YouTube. I try to make a video, and the next thing you know, they get all mad, and then they just want to do what they want to do, or whatever. Well, all right. I'm assuming you know how to boil your own noodles.
I don't.
I'll make a tutorial tomorrow about how to boil noodles. It's water, it's bubbling, you put it in, it's done. Okay? Here you go.